First video of 2020. Well, this thing here.
Hey, what about me?
What about you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to take a video with me.
You are on a video.
On?
So hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Alright. This thing right here has been my golden gem. This 99 Chevrolet 1500 4x4 has been my golden gem forever. But the bed's toast. Bed's toast. Welcome to Michigan. I knocked my back window out this week. Did some frame patching. I'm not going to go into detail about that. It looks ugly. Got this up and running now. Just have to mess around with the shifter. It's not wanting to go in park. But it has park, just not going in it. But this is going to be entered in the Gambler 500 this year. And we are going to see how far it makes it before it dies and I have to tow it home. So, without further ado, let's introduce y'all to the race truck, as Kadens says. 2004 GMC Sierra 2500. It has the 6.0. Big old burly truck LS. 8-lug rear end. This is the shape I got it in. Missing components, which are no big deal. I should have them on the other truck. Took the hinges off of this door, or took these doors off and stuck them on the other work truck. Bed is rusting, but it's pretty solid. It's kinked right there. All brand new brake lines. I'm gonna try not to show the plate because I still got to take it back. This will be another episode. I'm making a burn barrel for my garage. Busted taillight. The frame is solid. I will not be using the doors off of this truck. I will not be using the hood off of this truck. And I'm going to be taking the motor out. And this is going to be Kadens' race truck and my daily driver for a while. Until I can either get that or the Screaming Mimi out of the garage. Then when I do that, this thing right here, it will be a race truck. That's the reason why I bought that down there, is for parts.
Does it have air pressure in the tank?
No.
I tried plugging it in and it didn't start up.
Yeah, you got to turn it on.
I flipped the switch and everything. It didn't.
Well, then it might have pressure. Everything that you use, it's inside.
Oh yeah, Bubba, in the Cletus YouTube channel.
Say it again.
Oh yeah, Bubba, in the Cletus YouTube channel.
That's a shout out to Cletus McFarland.
YouTube
And
channel.
yep, he loves your channel. I just want to let you know, you make his day and night watching your channel. He is extremely excited about the new racetrack. So shout out to Cletus. My 5-year-old loves you, and that is the reason why he wants to turn this into a race truck. He's 5 years old and already talking about twin turb skis and putting a fat cam in.
Oh yeah, Bubba, in the Cletus YouTube channel.
But that is it.
Let me see it.
Let you see it?
Yeah.
You want to shoot it a little bit?
Yeah.
All right. Don't touch the screen.
Okay.
Both hands. All right. Walk around the truck and tell them what you're going to do. Tell them you're going to fix this and fix that. Don't get so close. Back up so they can see it. Back up. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. All right, show them more of the truck.
Oh yeah, Bubba.
Point it. You gotta say, that's the rear end that we're gonna burn out. Say it.
And that one's gonna burn out.
And say, we're gonna gut the exhaust.
I'm gonna get that off the scarves.
Yeah, we're gonna get that off. We're gonna take that door off.
I'm gonna take that door off.
And we're gonna take the hood off.
The hood off.
And we're gonna pull the motor.
To pull the motor. And ow, ow, ow.
This is your truck, right?
Yeah.
Stay there. This is your truck, right?
Wait.
All right. Say it one more time for Cletus. Say, oh yeah, brother.
Oh yeah, Bubba. In the Cletus YouTube channel.
Oh, throw them up again.
Oh yeah, Bubba. In the Cletus YouTube channel.
And we're out of here.